Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. So today we are starting Miscellaneous Exercise 3. So let us begin with the first question. In the first question is multiple choice question. So see, in the first example, we have to find out principal solution of this given trigonometric equation. And we know that principal solution lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. Means it lies from the 0 to 2 pi, including 0 and excluding what? 2 pi. So now given trigonometric equation is sine theta is equals to, keep this minus as it is, and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of what? Sine pi by 6, means sine 30. Sine pi by 6, isn't it? Now here we can observe that value of sine is what? Negative. We know that sine is positive in first and second quadrant. Means since the value of sine is negative, means its one principal solution is lies in third quadrant and another lies in fourth quadrant. Third quadrant means what? Pi plus theta, and fourth quadrant means what? 2 pi minus theta. Now just remaining part is to substitute the value of theta here. Theta is how much? Pi by 6. So pi plus pi by 6. If we are simplifying it, 6 pi plus pi will be 7 pi by 6. This is our first principal solution. And here if we are substituting value of theta, what is value of theta? Pi by 6. So pi by 6, 6 into 2 is 12. 12 pi minus pi will be equals to 11 pi by 6. In this way we have got the principal solution. So here required principal solution is 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. So in a very easy way we are able to find out principal solution of given trigonometric equation. In the next example also we are finding principal solution of this equation. Here also we are using same method. Now keep the left hand side as it is. What is left hand side? Cot theta. Root 3 is nothing but value of what? Cot 30, means cot pi by 6, isn't it? So now root 3 can be replaced by cot pi by 6. As it stand, we can observe that value of cot is what? Positive. And we know that cot is positive in what? First and third quadrant. In the first quadrant, what value we have got here? Pi by 6. Next value lies in third quadrant because cot is positive in first and third quadrant. Third quadrant means what? Pi plus theta. So pi, keep it as it is. Theta we are replacing by pi by 6. So which is equal to 6 pi plus pi will be equal to 7 pi by 6. In this way, required principal solutions are pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. Means pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. So A option will be the correct answer here. See, in the question number 3rd, we are finding general solutions of given trigonometric equation. So here given trigonometric equation is sec x is equals to what? Root 2. So our formulas of general solutions are in terms of what? Sine, cos and tan. That's why sec we are converting it in terms of cos. For that purpose, simply take the reciprocal of both sides. So on this side, reciprocal of sec x is equal to cos x, and on this side, reciprocal of root 2 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 can be replaced by what? Cos pi by 4, means cos 45. Now this equation is in the form of cos theta is equals to cos alpha. This is the value of theta and this is the value of what? Alpha. If the equation is in terms of cos theta is equal to cos alpha, at that time what is the formula to find out general solution? Theta is equal to, here theta means what? X. X is equal to what? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. But here alpha is how much? Pi by 4. In this way, we have got our required general solution of this given trigonometric equation. So here this value appears in first option. Now let us try to find out general solution of this trigonometric equation. Here also we can observe that given equation is what? Cos p theta is equal to cos q theta. Now already equation is in standard form. In which form? Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. And to find out general solution of this equation, we have formula that theta is equal to, here theta means what? P theta. Our formula is what? Theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Just we are substituting the value of theta. Here theta is how much? P theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is what here? Q theta. Now collect the terms of theta here. P theta, keep it as it is. This minus term on this side will become plus and this plus term on this side will become minus. On this side, remaining term 2n pi, keep it as it is. If we are taking theta common from both the terms, so here we will get p plus or minus q. Just simply we have taken theta common from both the terms. So which implies that theta is equal to 2n pi, keep it as it is. P plus or minus q is multiplied on this side it will get divided. P plus or minus q. In this way we have got the value of theta. Theta means what? General solution of this given trigonometric equation. So this result is given in first option. So here A option is the correct answer. See, in the question number 5, polar coordinate of one point is given to us and we have to convert this polar coordinate into what? Cartesian coordinate. We know that polar coordinates are denoted by r and theta. What is the value of r here? 2, and theta is equals to what? Pi by 4. Once r and theta is known to us, then x coordinate can be find out applying which formula? R cos theta, and y coordinate can be find out applying formula r sin theta. R is how much? 2. Now I am substituting value of theta is equals to pi by 4. And what is cos pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. If we are finding division, 2 divided by root 2 will be equals to what? Root 2. Again in the denominator, to find out y coordinate, replace r by what? 2, and theta will get replaced by pi by 4, means 45 degree. And what is the value of sin 45? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. So here also 2 divided by root 2 will be equals to root 2. Means in this way we have got Cartesian coordinates. What are the value of x coordinate? Root 2, and y is also what? Root 2. So here D option is our correct answer. Now observe the next example. In the next example, one trigonometric equation is given to us, root 3 cos x minus sin x is equals to 1. See, I am solving the example considering that whole chapter is clear to you. Now if the chapter is clear, then since we are solving objective type questions, so I am taking jumping steps. Wherever essential I am writing that part, and some part we are able to solve it orally also. Okay, now here we can observe that this equation is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c. In such cases we have seen one method. So divide both sides by what? Under root a square plus b square. Here what is the value of a square plus b square? Here a is equal to, what is a? Root 3. So what is square of root 3? 3 plus b square. B is here what? Minus 1. Square of minus 1 is 1. So what we are getting here? Root 4 is equal to 2. So divide both sides by what? 2. So if I am dividing both sides by 2, so here we will get root 3 by 2 cos x minus 1 by 2 sin x is equals to what? 1. So on this side also we are dividing by 2. Now in this case, two ways are there to solve this example. Either we are able to convert this equation in terms of what? Sin theta is equal to sin alpha, or cos theta is equal to cos alpha. As per as our board syllabus is concerned, we are giving priority to convert it in terms of what? Cos theta is equals to cos alpha. But in case of objective type question, we have to solve the example observing the given options. Now if you observe the given options, these three values, means such type of solutions appears in which equation? Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. And such type of solution appears in which equation? Sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Agar sin theta is equal to sin alpha में convert करना है, so this is the value of what? Sin alpha. And we know that 1 by 2 is the value of what? Sin pi by 6. But here alpha is how much? Pi by 3. Means definitely D option is not correct answer. Just by observation we can say that this side is nothing but what? Sin pi by 6. 1 by 2 is the value of sin 30, means sin pi by 6, means alpha is what? Pi by 6. But in given option here pi by 3 is given, means definitely D option is the wrong answer. So that's why now these three are the solution of which type of equation? Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. So now we are trying to convert this equation in terms of cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Keep this cos x as it is. Convert this term into cos. Root 3 by 2 is the value of what? Cos pi by 6 minus, keep this sin x as it is. 1 by 2 is the value of sin pi by 6. On this side 1 by 2 will get replaced by what? Cos pi by 3. We are trying to convert it in the form of what? Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. That's why we have converted this side in terms of cos. Now we can observe that this expression is in the form of cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, which is nothing but formula of what? Cos A plus B. B is how much here? Pi by 6 is equal to cos pi by 3. Keep it as it is. Now this equation is in the standard form, means it is in the form of which formula? Cos theta, this is theta, is equal to cos alpha, means alpha is here pi by 3. And what is the general solution of cos theta is equal to cos alpha? Is theta is equals to, theta means what? X plus pi by 6 is equal to, theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. But what is alpha here? Pi by 3. आपके जो फॉर्मूलीज है वो लर्न होने चाहिए, then and then only we are able to solve the example orally also. So now remaining part is just to simplify it. Our variable is denoted here by what? X. So plus pi by 6 on this side will become minus pi by 6. So x will be equals to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 plus pi by 6 will become what? Minus pi by 6. We are able to simplify it, but not necessary to simplify because a same result is given in which option? C option. So here C option will be the correct answer. See, in the example number 7th, two angles of the triangle are given to us. If two angles are given to us, we are able to find out third angle also using the condition that sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180. So first let us try to find out third angle, then we will see how to find out ratio of three sides. Okay, so here it is given to us that angle A is equals to, what is the measure of angle A? 45 degrees. Angle B is given to us 60 degrees. From this we can say that 60 plus 45 is 105, and 105 plus 75 will be equals to what? 180. Means definitely C will be equals to what? 180. Now question is to find out ratio of the sides, means A is to B is to C, and we know that value of A is to B is to C is equals to what? Sin A is to sin B is to what? Sin C, using sine rule. Now what is the value of sin A? Sin A means sin 45. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Keep this term as it is. Sin B means sin 60, and sin 60 is equals to how much? Root 3 by 2. Now to find out value of sin C, means sin what? 75 degrees. So sin 75 degrees, can I write it as sin 30 plus 45? Now the terms are in the form of which formula? Sin 75 can be written as what? 30 plus 45. Now terms are in the form of sin A into sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, according to compound angle formula, its value is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into what? Sin B. B is how much? 45 degrees. Remaining part is just to substitute the value. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now we can observe that denominator of both the terms are same, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. That's why we are taking addition of numerator. What we are getting in the numerator? 1 plus root 3. 1 plus root 3. Now substitute this. This is the value of what? Sin 75 degrees. 75 means C, means this is the value of sin C. What is the value of sin C? 1 plus root 3 upon what? 2 root 2. Now this result does not appear, so means they have simplified it. It is the ratio, means we are able to multiply to it by any number, or we are able to divide by any number, means we are able to cancel the common factor. So here denominator does not appear. So what is the LCM of denominator? We can observe that LCM of denominator is 2 root 2. To eliminate it from the denominator, multiply to each term by 2 root 2. Let us see what we will get. If we are multiplying to first term by 2 root 2, root 2 will get cancelled cancel, 2 will be the remaining term. If I am multiplying here by 2 root 2, multiply by what? 2 root 2. So here 2 will get cancelled and root 2 into root 3 will become root 6. And if I am multiplying here to third term by 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 will get cancelled. 1 plus root 3 will be the remaining term, isn't it? So this result appears in first option. So here first option will be the correct answer. Now observe the example number 8. In this case, value of c square plus a square minus b square is equal to AC. It is given to us. Using this, we have to find out value of what? Angle C. If you'll observe the given conditions are in terms of a square, b square, c square. Such type of terms appears in what? Cosine rule. So that's why we are using cosine rule to find out the value of angle B. According to cosine rule, what is the value of cos B? Cos B, because we are finding angle B, its value is c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca. So which is equals to, now it is given to us that ac square plus a square minus b square, its value is equal to what? AC. So replace it by AC in the denominator, 2ca, keep it as it is. AA and CC will get cancelled. What is the remaining term? 1 by 2. And we know that if value of cos B is equals to 1 by 2, means definitely B will be equals to what? 60 degree. 60 degree can also be written as what? Pi by 3. In this way we have got our required angle, angle B. So pi by 3 is our correct answer. See, in the example number 9th, we have to find out value of this expression, and if you observe the options are in terms of a square, b square, c square. Such type of terms appears in what? Cosine rule. So we are solving this example applying cosine rule. So consider the given expression. What is given expression here? AC cos B minus BC cos A. So which is equal to, keep AC as it is. We are replacing cos B by its value. According to cosine rule, its value is equal to a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac. Minus BC, keep it as it is. What is the value of cos A according to cosine rule? B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Now here BC and BC will get cancelled. Here AC and AC will get cancelled. We can observe that denominator of both the terms are same. What is denominator of both the terms? 2. So that's why we are taking subtraction of numerator. First collect the terms of A square. A square and this minus into minus means plus a square. A square plus a square will be 2a square. Now collect the terms of b square. Minus b square and this minus b square will become minus 2b square. Lastly collect the terms of what? C square. Plus c square and minus into c square means minus c square will get cancelled. If we are taking 2 common, so what is the remaining term here? A square minus b square upon 2, keep it as it is. 2 will get cancelled, and what result we are getting here? A square minus b square. So A option will be the correct answer here. If you are going to face the competitive exam like NDA or IIT or CET, you should have your own collection. अगर ये एग्जाम्पल में से आपको कुछ शॉर्टकट टेक्निक आप खुद डेवलप कर पाएंगे तो ऐसे कलेक्शन आपका होना चाहिए. दैट एंगल, वो एंगल आपको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. एग्जाम्पल को देखने के बाद आंसर क्या आ सकता है. हियर वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट cos B appears and cos C appears, and instead of cos B let us suppose that cos C is there and here cos B is there. Now what is the multiple of cos B? AC. तो यहाँ पे स्मॉल b नहीं है, AC है. तो यहाँ पे अगर cos C है तो यहाँ पे मल्टीपल में कौन नहीं आएगा? C is not there, means what will get? Small a, small b. Minus, keep it as it is. If angle is B here, then B does not appears, means here AC will appears here. Means we are able to form many expression of this type. Getting it? So here what answer we have got? Cos B minus cos A. Forget about these coefficients. If cos B minus cos A exist in the example, then answer is what? A square minus B square. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आना चाहिए आपका? B square minus C square. Getting it? So you yourself make the collection of such techniques, develop such type of techniques and make the collection. Some shortcut techniques you are able to develop it yourself by practice. Okay, so now see the example number 10th. In this example number 10, what is given condition? In a triangle, the angles are in arithmetic progression. Angles are in arithmetic progression means which condition is satisfying? That 2b, angle we are denoting by what? Capital A, capital B, capital C. And if angles are in arithmetic progression, at that time 2b is equal to what? A plus C. This condition is satisfying if angles are in arithmetic progression. And we know that sum of three angle is equals to what? 180. A plus B plus C is equals to how much? 180 degrees. But here A plus C is how much? Twice B. So A plus C I am replacing by 2B plus B, keep it as it is equal to 180 degrees. So 2B plus B is 3B is equals to 180 degrees, implies that B is equal to how much? 60 degrees. So value of angle B is known to us. Now question is to find out what? Angle A using this condition. What is the given condition? B is to C is equal to root 3 is to root 2. According to sine rule, it can be written as sine B upon what? Sine C is equal to root 3 upon root 2. B is to C can also be B is to C is equal to what? Sine B is to sine C according to what? Sine rule. So root 2 will get multiplied on this side. So on this side we will get root 2 sine B is equal to sine C will get multiplied on this side. So root 3 sine C. So here I am replacing B by its value. What is the value of B here? 60 degrees. So root 2, keep it as it is. What is the value of sine 60? If I am substituting B is equal to 60, so sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3 into sine C, keep it as it is. Here root 3 on both sides will get cancelled, and root 2 upon 2 will be equals to 1 by root 2 is equal to sine C, which implies that C is equal to, if the value of sine C is 1 by root 2 means definitely angle C is equal to how much? 45 degree. In this way we have got two angles of this triangle. Which angle? Angle B is 60 degree, angle C is what? 45 degree. And question is to find out angle A. So angle A can be find out applying what? Angle sum property of a triangle, and angle sum property of a triangle says that sum of three angle is equals to what? 180 degrees. So using that result, that A plus B plus C is equals to 180, simplifying it, what value of A we will get here? B is 60, C is 45. 60 plus 45 is 105. 105 on this side will become minus 105. Means 180 minus 105 will be equals to what? 75. In this way we have got the measure of angle A. Angle A is equals to what? 75 degrees. So C option will be the correct answer here. So total 21 examples are there in question number first. So we have completed first 10 example. In the next video we will solve next 11 example. Total 21 examples are there. 10 example we have completed. So remaining 11 example we will complete it in next video.